In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change photo in Canva Resume. So, like I'm going on Canva, then here are type templates, then I type resume. So I select any one. So example purpose this one. So I need to click on customize this template. This is super easy. After watching this video, you are able to do this work. So you can see this is a photo. So now I need to just upload my photo from my computer. So upload file, you can add your original photo you want to add. So now you need to click on just select your photo first. Again purpose I select a photo, just white. Again purpose I select this photo. So this one you can see this is this is a cricket player. So just going to here. Wow, this one. Wow, this is perfectly set. So this is the method how we can add a profile picture on Canva Resume. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.